Back to the new video lesson of our course, and in this video we'll be creating and assigning different pages of our website like the home page, about us page, and many other pages. First of all, what we can do is we can just remove all these notices that we are getting, and these are of no use to us right now. So you can click on skip setup, and then dismiss to all of these. Like I'm dismissing these, and then dismiss this notice also. So all these notices come from different plugins or themes which we are using, and they recommend you some themes or additional plugins that you should use to increase the usability of the website. But right now we don't need anything, so just remove these. Now as you can see, I have dismissed all the notices and everything, and now our dashboard is a little bit clean. Now you have to click on dashboard, and then you have to go on Amazon configuration. When you click on it, you will see some options where you can put your Amazon affiliate ID, and then whenever you import any product from Amazon using the WZone Chrome extension, which I'll show you that how you can download it, you'll automatically get your affiliate link from any product which you import from Amazon. So right now, as you can see here, your affiliate IDs option. And as I'm from India, I'll enter my affiliate ID here, or you can enter your affiliate ID from whichever country you are. First of all, let me show you that how you can get your affiliate ID. Right now you can see here that you can also enter Amazon API keys, but you only get an API key whenever you get 3 sales from Amazon affiliates. So for getting Amazon affiliate ID, you have to go to Amazon Associates. So first of all, as you can see, when you have created and signed up for an Amazon Associates account, you are getting 4 tabs which you have to fill to move ahead. First of all, you have to give your full name, address, and the main contact for this account. And if you are a US person, you have to check yes here, but I'm not, so I'll go for no. And then I'll click on next. Now as you can see, it will ask for your websites and mobile apps, and we don't have any mobile apps right now, but we have a website, and for that reason I'll give my website link here, and as you can see, https www.bestamazingsales.com, and then you have to click on add here, and as you can see it has been added, and then I'll go on next. And if you have something like a YouTube channel, you can also link it here in the websites section. Now what is your preferred associate store ID? Right now I do not have a preferred ID, and I'll just give anything like my name, and after that some number. So this is it, and then you have to tell that what your websites or mobile apps are all about. Like R is Amazon affiliate niche website, Amazon affiliate, you can say mobile website, and then we are done. Now the next is that you have to tell what is your topic about your website or mobile app. And right now when we click on the drop down arrow, you can see that we have this computer software technology and many other options, and when you go through it you will find your niche, and then you have to just click on it, and then you can check a secondary topic too. if you are going into two niches at the same time. So the next thing is, what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps? And like mine on my website, we will be going through the electronics section. So I've checked on electronics, and then what type are your websites or mobile apps. I'll go to a content or niche website, or you can say a coupons or deals website. So for the primary one, I'll say a content or niche website, and for the secondary one, I'll say a coupons or deals website. Now, traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website? Here you have to check all the options through which you are willing to drive traffic to your Amazon niche website. So right now we'll be checking on paid search and display advertising, social networks, SEO, and lead generation. Now, how do you utilize your websites and app to generate income? Now, we don't have any income source right now, but you can just check here that Amazon Associates is the only monetization I use. And then, how do you usually build links? And then you have to check here the blog editor. Now, how many total unique visitors? You have to select around 501 to 5000. And what is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? It is to monetize my website or to give useful content for my site. I'll check on to monetize my site. And how did you hear about us? So you can check anything from which you heard about it. Now you have to select and write this captcha code, and then you will be done. You have to click on you agree to the terms and conditions, and you can see it and read about it, and then you can see congrats, my unique associate ID is this, and I've got it. So now you can just copy this ID, and you have to go here and you have to paste it in front of your country name. Like mine is India, so in front of India I just gave my Amazon Associates ID, and then you can see here your main affiliate ID. I'll check India here, and you have to check your country, and then Amazon requests date. It is one request per second, which is fine, and then you have to click on save the settings. And then here you will see that you have to enter your payment and tax information, which is a very easy to fill, and then you can do it now or later, whatever you want. And then let's go back to our website. And as you can see, the settings have now been saved.